In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a PDF into Notion. Whether you're organizing important documents, compiling research, or just want to keep everything neat and accessible in one spot, Notion makes it easy. Let's jump in and explore each step to make sure you get the most out of this process. First, ensure you're on your desktop or laptop, as the PDF import feature is best handled on the computer version of Notion. Start by logging into your Notion account, and navigate to the page where you want your PDF to live. Now, to create a new page or use an existing one, simply click the plus icon to add a new page if needed. This will provide you with a fresh starting point for importing your document. With your page ready, open the document you'd like to import on your computer, and ensure you know its location for easy access. If you haven't yet, download the PDF and save it in a spot that's quick to find, like your desktop or a dedicated folder. With your PDF file ready, head back to Notion. Now, with Notion open and your page selected, you'll want to drag your PDF file from your desktop into the Notion page. It's as simple as that. Just click and hold on the PDF file, drag it over to your desired spot in Notion, and release it. You'll see a progress bar indicating that your file is uploading. This may take a few moments depending on the size of your file and your internet connection speed, so feel free to be patient during this process. Once imported, you have several options to customize how your PDF appears on the page. Notion allows you to adjust the size and view of your PDF, so it's easier to navigate or emphasize important sections. Click on the file, and you'll see a few viewing options. Expand it to read directly on Notion, or keep it minimized for quicker reference. And if you need to, you can always delete or replace the PDF with a new one at any time. Simply click the menu next to your uploaded PDF and select the action you need. Remember, organizing your PDFs within Notion makes these documents much more accessible and saves you time when you need to reference them later. You can even add notes next to your PDF to highlight essential takeaways or start a discussion with your team. I hope this guide makes the process straightforward and helps you manage your documents more effectively within Notion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to content.